Dear students, this is the second part of the video of the lesson Rat Trap. Up to this time I was telling you that the peddler always thought ill of the people because the world had never been kind to him, and he was happy seeing people trapped and the people who were ready to be trapped. So one dark evening he was trudging along the road. He was walking along the road. Trudging means walking slowly along the road. He caught sight of a little grey cottage. He was walking on the road and he saw that there was a grey cottage. A cottage was there by roadside. Where was the cottage? By roadside. And he knocked on the door to ask shelter for the night. Actually it was dark evening, so it means night was falling. So he wanted shelter. He was tired also. He wanted shelter for the night. Nor was he refused. When he knocked at the door, he was welcomed. He was not refused. He was welcomed. Instead of sour faces means people did not welcome him. They did not show their sweet faces to him because they did not like him, which ordinarily met him. Ordinarily, other days, he used to get the sour faces only. He was not welcomed by anybody, but this time he was welcomed. He was given shelter. The owner to get someone to talk to his loneliness, and perhaps owner who was an old man. Who was the owner? The owner was an old man without wife or child, probably because there was no one there, so he had no wife or child. Was happy to get someone to talk to his loneliness. Very important point here, loneliness, because a theme of loneliness also runs here. Remember, the peddler was all alone. He was wandering lonely, and the place where he got shelter was also a man who was staying there alone. It means the theme of loneliness runs throughout the chapter. The man was an old man without wife or child, means he was all alone there. So was happy to get someone to talk to in his loneliness. You know that people, man is a gregarious animal. He wants to live in society. He wants someone to talk to him. So the old man who was living all alone became happy because he got a man to talk to him who could remove his loneliness. So this is one of the reasons that the old man welcomed peddler into his house, into his cottage. Immediately he put the porridge pot, oatmeal, porridge pot. Porridge is liquid type food. Oatmeal, porridge pot on the fire, and gave him supper. Supper is the food of the night time, night meal before going to the bed. Then he carved off such a big slice, cut off such a big slice from his tobacco roll, and he gave him tobacco to smoke. He gave him porridge to eat. It was enough both for stranger's pipe and his own, means the peddler and the old man both could smoke it. It was enough for them. Finally he got out an old pack of cards and played majlis with his guest until bedtime, means first he gave him porridge to eat, then he gave him tobacco to smoke, then he played a game of cards, pack of cards named majlis, with his guest before bedtime, before going to the bed. Now about the old man. Who was that old man? He was very generous with his confidences, means secrets, as with his porridge and tobacco. Means the old man did not show any kind of doubt on the peddler. He did not show any kind of discomfort with him. He did not hesitate to show his secrets to him, as he had given him porridge and tobacco without any hesitation. The guest was informed at once that in his days of prosperity his host had been a crofter at Ram's show, ironworks and had worked on the land. He informed him that when he was young, in the days of his prosperity, when he was rich, he was a crofter. So, who was that old man? The old man was crofter. Crofter means the man who gives his land on rent. And where did he work? At Ramsjo Ironworks. He had worked on the land. He had been a crofter at Ramsjo Ironworks and had worked on the land. Now that he was no longer able to deliver, it was his cow which supported him. Means now he was old and now he was unable to do physical work, and in his old age his support was a cow. He had a cow which was the source of his income. Yes, that bossy was extraordinary. Bossy, he calls it bossy, was extraordinary. She could give milk for the creamery. Creamery, what is the meaning of creamery? Creamery means a place where dairy products are sold. So whatever milk or butter he got from the cow, he used to sell it. He milk for the creamery every day, and last month he had received all of 30 kroner in payment. Kroner is Swedish currency. He got 30 kroner as payment after selling the dairy product. Now the stranger must have seemed incredulous. Not, it seemed that the uh, peddler did not believe on the words of crofter. It seemed only, means the crofter thought that the peddler was not believing on him, because there, looking at his gesture, he found that it seemed that he was not convinced. For the old man got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch which hung on the nail. Means when the crofter thought that the peddler was not looking convinced, the old man, to convince him, the crofter got up and went to the window, took down a leather pouch which was hung on a nail in the very window frame, and picked out three wrinkled 10 kroner bills. You know that he had told him that he earned 30 kroners. So he picked out these three 10 kroner bills, 10 plus 10 plus 10. Then he held up before the eyes of his guest. He showed these 30 kroners to his guest. Who was the guest? Peddler was guest. The peddler was guest, nodding knowingly, and then stuffed them back into the pouch. Means he showed him these 30 kroners and then put them back into, stuffed means again put them back into the pouch. The next day both men got up in good season, in a pleasant way, comfortably. The crofter was in a hurry to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in the bed when the head of the house had gotten up. Means the crofter woke up early in the morning, and the other man, who was the other man? Peddler, who had thought that it was not good on his part to stay in the bed when the head of the house had already gotten up. He thought that the owner of the house had gotten up, so he should also woke up. Then they left the cottage. At the same time, both of them came out of the house of the cottage. The crofter locked the door and put the keys in his pocket. He locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The man with the rat traps said goodbye and thank you. He said goodbye to him. He thanked him for the shelter, and thereupon each went his own way. Means both of them went on their way. But half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. Now here comes the rat trap again. the title of the chapter. I told you about the bait, B-A-I-T, bait. Bait means the attraction, the temptation, the food item which can attract anyone, wealth. So, but half an hour later, the rat trap peddler. This is the spelling of peddler. Peddler stood again before the door. He came back as soon as the owner of the cottage went away from there. After and he had also gone from there. Suddenly he turned back and again came before the door. He did not try to get in. However, he only went to the window. He went to the window, smashed a pane, stuck in his hand, and got hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. The peddler knew where the pouch was hanged. So he went to the window, he smashed a pane, stuck in his hand, and got hold of the pouch with the 30 kroner. He took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. He took out the money from the pouch, breaking the window pane, and put this money into his pocket. Then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in its place and went away. So see how the peddler, who was given shelter by the crofter, cheated him. He was trapped by the money. Money was bait for him. The title, the rat trap, comes into play here. How the peddler was tempted by the pouch and how he was trapped into this uh, bait, and this bait attracted him and he came back and stole the money. So here onwards I will tell you in the third video. Thank you. Thanks for watching video. Have a nice day.